What's up guys, it is officially December, and if you don't already have your Christmas tree up or your Christmas lights up, what have you been doing? This is a great idea just for you and the kids. It's a DIY popcorn garland that goes around your tree for a cute decoration. All you'll need is some popcorn, thread, a needle, and scissors, as well as a tree. I actually use the popcorn that you place in a pot over the stove. All you have to add is a little bit of vegetable oil and place the heat on medium to low. Let it cook for about less than 5 minutes.